Good morning students. So today in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 7, that is what? Coordinate geometry. Chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry. So first of all, what is coordinate? So let us take a plane, graphical plane. As you know, this is x dash, and this is y dash, and this is y, and this is your what? O, that is known as origin, and coordinate of origins is 0 0. So first thing we should make clear about the coordinate. What is coordinate? Actually this is made up of abscissa plus ordinate. This is for x and this is for y. Suppose 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4. So this is abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa, let me explain you. If we are finding out the value of x, so value of x from, or you can say the distance of a point from y-axis. Suppose this is the y-axis and the distance of a point, suppose any point is here. So this distance from y-axis, this is what? This is abscissa. This is what? Abscissa or x coordinate. Abscissa or x coordinate. And the distance from the x-axis, is known as ordinate, that is y coordinate. So first, usually or generally we are writing x values firstly, then y value, because coordinate is always in the form of x comma y. So here value of x is what? 3, and value of y is what? 3. So both are 3. Suppose this is a point A. Like this, we are representing these coordinate in a plane, and these all the phenomena is known as coordinate geometry. So in this chapter we are going to find the distance of a point in a plane, and section formula we'll see, and at the last we'll see the area of triangle. So that will be applicable for finding the area of quadrilateral. So without wasting our time, let us see what is distance formula. So again, suppose the point is located here only, and we have to find this distance. We have to find the distance. So here you can see we can apply, if we are knowing the distance of this x-axis, this base, and this is perpendicular. So if we are knowing these distances, so we can find out the value of OA by using Pythagoras theorem. But here suppose we are counting from here, if one point is here, if suppose one point anywhere we can take, or suppose I am taking here, this is B point, and if someone is asking what is the distance of A from point B, what is the distance of A, or what will be the distance of AB? So in this case we are unable to use, or we are unable to apply Pythagoras. For that we are using one formula. That is known as distance formula. What we are doing? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is for 2D. This is for two-dimensional. In class 11th, when you will have three-dimensional chapter, there one more plane, z plane will be added, z axis will be added, then the formula will be little extended, and plus z1 z2 minus z1 ka whole square. But we are discussing about class 10th, so we are having 2D syllabus. Formula of distance, formula for finding the distance in a plane will be root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What will be x1, x2, y1, y2? So these are the coordinates. If suppose this is 3 3, and for example only this will be 2 or suppose this is 2 and suppose it of minus 5 or any number. This is just example. So here first value, this will be what, x1 y1, and this will be what, x2 y2. So we'll find the value of, we'll find the distance of point A from B, that is AB must be equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And one more thing, if suppose one point is located in origin and the other point is in any quadrant, in that case the distance will be x square plus y square, because this will be 0 0. So x1 minus 0 will be x1 only, so we are taking as xy, and this will be 0 0. So x minus 0 whole square, x square, y minus 0 whole square, y square. So distance of a point from the origin, this is what, distance of a point from origin is what, root over x square plus y square. I hope you understood. We'll start the exercise. Thank you.